Welcome back to Master of None. My name is Rodney. Like I said, I have a bunch of projects going on. Two of the costumes that I have to have completed within at least the next week is a Halo costume, Hayabusa Halo costume, and also an Iron Man costume. The Iron Man costume is for my great nephew, Jaden. He's been waiting patiently, and then the Halo costume has been commissioned by a friend of mine, and did his measurements. We ordered his undersuit, his Halo undersuit. He received that. It fits fine, and all we have to do is finish his costume. So I won't say I cheated, but for the Halo costume, I used a Prepper, if that's how you pronounce it, Prepper file that I purchased from Heroes Workshop. And also for the Iron Man costume, I actually purchased this file from Xieng Products, maybe 5 years ago. And in those instructions, it explains that if you're going to use it to create a smaller suit, it tells you, how to decrease the file size, so it matches the body type. Well, anyway, following those instructions, I downloaded, following those instructions for both from the Prepper files and then also Xieng Products PDF. I have created the templates. I have printed the files onto paper. I've cut them out, and now I'm ready to draw them onto the foam, cut them out of the foam, and assemble them. But I will video the entire portion of me assembling these parts. One thing I could tell you is the Prepper is not as easy to follow. So hats off to Xieng. I can't remember if it's Zing or Zhang, or I'm bad with names unless I say it, a few times. But I really like how simple and easy his file was to follow. And this will be the second suit that I've created, so it should go smoothly doing that one. I'm more concerned about the Halo suit because there's so many parts. And then if you're unfamiliar with it, normally you would use these files to create something in paper, and then, like paper mache or fiberglass, use fiberglass to make it. And, it's this whole big process. And if you use foam, it changes what pieces you'll need. Like you won't need the side pieces because foam is thicker. And anyway, it's just this whole thing that it'll be interesting to see how that turns out. But anyway, I'm excited about doing both. You'll see the process of me doing both, of assembling and gluing both of them. And who knows, maybe it'll encourage you to buy one or the other or both or none, but anyway, you'll get a chance to check that out. So hopefully you'll enjoy this video. So let's go.